Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Speaking of, if you love cool, practical, and innovative products for your home, then you're in for an amazing ride. Today, I'm gonna be introducing you to 8 game-changing household accessories that you probably didn't know existed. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. First up, let's check out these super handy lens and screen cleaning micro pads with storage case. These guys are absolute game changers for those constantly dealing with fingerprints and smudges on their phones, laptops, tablets, glasses, and even camera lenses. But what sets these apart is the fact that they come with a durable storage case so that they stay clean and ready to go at any time. No more fussing with sprays or wipes, just a quick swipe and you're good to go. Plus, they're reusable, so you're not wasting tons of single-use wipes, and you can carry them in your pocket or bag wherever you go. Just look at how easily they clean, making them perfect for keeping your screens streak-free and shiny. Next, check this out. A dual-function coaster and bottle opener. This stylish piece combines both PU leather and stainless steel, making it both practical and sophisticated. Not only does it protect your surfaces from drink rings, but it also is a perfect tool to pop open your favorite beverage. And the best part? It looks amazing on any coffee table or bar counter. Super sleek and functional. It's like getting 2 products in one. So who doesn't love a little multitasking? So make sure you grab them for your next hosting gig. Okay, this is for anyone dealing with clutter. Meet our vegan leather organizer tray with corner snaps. Whether you're organizing your keys, coins, or even jewelry, this tray is here to save the day. It's a simple yet elegant solution for tidying up your space without compromising style. And when you're not using it, you can simply flatten it out and stash it away without taking up a lot of space. Now, for my beauty lovers out there, this next product is an absolute game changer. The silicone makeup brush covers are amazing for protecting your makeup brushes while not in use or on the go. Just slip these on and your brushes stay protected, clean, and ready for the next use. Plus, they're easy to clean and are reusable. Say goodbye to bristles getting bent or dust collecting on your brushes. Who knew that prepping a crisp green salad could be possible without the use of a bulky salad spinner? Meet our microfiber lettuce wrap towels. These towels are designed to wrap the green leaves to absorb maximum moisture and even store in the refrigerator wrapped up until you use them. Never succumb to a soggy salad ever again. Security is top priority, and this next product has got your back. The RFID-Blocking security pouch and anti-theft protector shield for key fobs are designed to protect your personal information from digital thieves. The RFID pouch blocks signals from unauthorized scanners and keeps your car's keyless entry system safe from hacking. These are perfect for when you're traveling or just trying to keep your valuables secure. Cleaning your home just got a whole lot easier with our 12-layer microfiber sponge block. It is designed to absorb more with 12 layers of microfiber. The versatility lies in how you can rip off each layer and use it separately, or once the top layer is soiled and it is time to switch it out for a new clean face. It's like a sponge and towel combined, super convenient and effective. And finally, we have our antimicrobial silver microfiber towels. These towels are embedded with Novron, a silver-based agent that keeps acting inside the towels and removes most contaminants over a period of 24 hours, eliminating the bad smell of typical kitchen towels. They are perfect for everyday cleaning, from wiping down counters to cleaning mirrors or windows. And just as I mentioned, these towels are not just absorbent, but they also help reduce germs and odors. So which one of these cool products are your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you are interested in them, be sure to check out our Amazon store and website. The links are going to be in the description below. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our social media. This has been the Euro YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.